Hey, I'm Ron. We recently had solar installed at our house here in University City from Semper Solaris. It's been an incredible process, a great project, and a pretty amazing team to work with. So we had a lot of things to consider. We have, relatively hefty electricity bills. We are very conscious about trying to have a carbon neutral footprint. That was something that was important to us. And beyond that, I think there was an implication of some cost savings and stuff that we were certainly curious about when we started looking into the process. So we have a pool, we run air conditioning, the way that the peak grid hours have changed and the way that they're billing for utilities, all of that was a big factor. In the summertime, we'd peak out at 540, 550, and during kind of the cooler season or the neutral season, we'd still be at about $300 a month. I had noticed a Semper Solaris sign at one of our neighbors' houses, and I said, I'm gonna check these guys out. I like the whole Semper Fi kind of vibe, military, San Diego. I called these guys and got some of the most incredible feedback compared to everybody else. We were detailed up front every step along the way. It was calendared. We had one point of contact that helped us through all the different verticals. We got a call that said they were all finished. It was 2 days or something, really quick. There was never a mess. I mean, it was really just professional, top to bottom. So after we'd had our solar for about a month or two, my neighbors had come over and said, what do you think about solar? And oh my gosh, I felt like I was a sales guy for the company. I was like, oh, let me tell you. Probably 6 months later, I see a Semper Solaris truck in front of the neighbor's house, and it's real flattering to me that they took the recommendation. At the end of the day, beyond just price and information and knowledge, the service level was through the roof with Semper Solaris. So it made the decision really easy.